Now, as countries around the world shut their borders to stop the spread of the coronavirus, the surge of people pouring unmonitored into the country through its porous boundaries is the latest source of pain as the government grapples to keep the virus in check. Police in Isebania, along Kenya's border with Tanzania, arrested 10 people trying to sneak into the country from Tanzania. Among them were 4 Tanzanian nationals who were heading to Masara. NTV's Ismail has the latest on the broader border concerns.
As the number of infections flare up along the country's pervious borders, frustrations among communities sharing these borders are also boiling up. In Isebania, on Kenya's border with Tanzania, the spike in the number of infections has challenged the community bond between the two neighbors' communities.
Wengine wanasafirishwa usiku, wanapitia vichorochoro, wanaleta huku hivyo, na ndio wanatuletea corona Kenya. Na wakati Magufuli amesema kwamba eti corona iko Tanzania, shughuli zote Tanzania zinaendelea, na sisi Kenya hakuna makanisa, misikiti hakuna, shule hakuna. Tulikuwa tunaomba hata mpaka wetu ufungwe kabisa.
Wote ni mandugu, sisi ni Wakuria na wale ni Wakuria, ni watu wetu wote. Tumeomba hata kama ni jeshi weke mpaka Nyamaranya na Morabu yote ifungwe hiyo mpaka tunaomba hiyo tafadhali.
Migori so far has recorded 10 infections and the county government believes those responsible crossed undetected from Tanzania.
At another border point of Isebania, Migori County, we continue to witness emerging positive cases. The government is closely monitoring these developments and putting in place interventions.
Acknowledging the risk that the porous borders poses in the spread of COVID-19 in the country, the government is now asking Kenyans living along the border counties to ensure community vigilance is enhanced.
Our porous borders are the ones that have become the latest high-risk areas in the transmission of the disease. We do appeal to our communities living within and around our border counties to actively exercise the Nyumba Kumi community policing. We should be vigilant and we should report any suspicious individuals who may use Panya routes to get into the country.
With most East African countries under strict restrictions to curb the coronavirus, truck drivers are among the few allowed to circulate as they ferry essential goods across the region. However, border testing has revealed a high number of cases among the drivers, and alarm is growing over their potential to be super spreaders. 8 truck drivers from Tanzania have already been denied entry into the country after they tested positive for COVID-19 at the Namanga border.
Out of the same samples, 8 individuals were truck drivers from Tanzania who also tested positive and were referred back to Tanzania. 7 at the Namanga border and 1 at Isebania border.
Kenya had on Wednesday declared the border town with Tanzania as a high-risk area. A mobile laboratory will be deployed at the Namanga border town to help prevent cross-border infections amid rising infections along the border points. Ismail, NTV.